We have Claire, and she's going to, what the heck? Ayan. She's going to explain to you what, gulatan na naman tayo. Ay, what is your genre? I like the
My genre is metal.
metal. All right, let's hear it out from Claire.
Okay. How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my heart, where I become so low without a soul. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside, call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to red before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Now that I know what I'm without, you can just leave me. Breathe into me and make me real. Bring me tonight. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside, call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to red before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Bring me to life. Bring me to life. Frozen inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the light among the dead. Living 1,000 years seems got to open my eyes to everything. Bring me to life. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to red before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Bring me to life. Bring me to life. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bakit?
Thank you.
Do not turn off your music until the end. Okay. Because performance-wise, I like the outfit. You matched it with the song choice. There were some parts na medyo nauuna ka, pero hindi naman siya ganun kahalata. Like I said earlier to Jim, when you're performing, kung magkakaroon tayo ng mali doon or nakalimutan natin, we forgot the lyrics, we missed the note, keep going. Do not let
Yes.
your audience and good job on that. Okay?
Thank
And then, do not cut your notes at the end. Hinihingal ka ba? Sabi ko na eh. So, she was,
Ano, binoto ko eh.
because she was catching her breath. So, the last note of each line, she cuts it because she needs to get more air. But you can improve on that later on, or maybe one of these days when we do our coaching, I am going to teach you how to get the notes coming from your diaphragm.
Yes.
So also using your vibrato, I think, hang on, Catwoman with the vibrato, she's working on her vibrato. Some notes, you bend the notes. I can't remember, but there were notes that you don't need to bend it because it's part of the song. Parang, kasi pag binibend mo siya, para siyang hindi na nagsasound ng metal. Para siyang magiging ballad. For the most part, yung sa mga ballad songs, mga pop, doon nila binibend yung notes sa end nung word. Yung ganon. So, but we can improve on that. Later on, pag nag-coaching tayo, I'm not sure, I think I schedule that every Sunday night, pero hindi ko din nagagawa, sorry na. Kasi lagi akong tulog. Sorry na. But overall, with the outfit, from your last week's performance, you did great today. It's more improved when it comes to your vocals. You hitting the notes, you were on point. But there were some, hindi ko alam kung kinakabahan. Kasi yung meron kang, siguro mga 2 lines. There were 2 lines na medyo nauna ka sa music. And then also, balance na si music and then si vocals mo. Compared to your last week's performance. So you did well today. Better than the last week. So we're not competing with each other here. We are competing with ourselves. Okay. Next time I'm going to siguro maybe next time yung magiging price niyo mga makeup.
Oo nga.
Kasi I have a black lipstick. So ayun, para siyang I will give ang problema ko yung lalaki. Yeah, I was thinking of Kuya Rain and Jim. So ayun.
Thank you, Kelly.
And also, yes, you changed your backdrop this week. I'm not sure if